Hey, this is Mark. I just wanted to make a short video about how I store my painting supplies in anticipation of our next video, which will be painting on the Eagle for the toolbox. I want to show you how I organize my painting supplies, and as a bonus, I'll show you the secret to color theory, which is not only good for artists, but for furniture makers and furniture finishers as well. So come with me. This is how I store my painting supplies. I built this box about 40 years ago, I believe, to hold my painting supplies, and not only that, to be able to work out of. Now, if I was doing this every day, I would have this stuff on a shelf readily available or on a wall like I do with my regular woodworking tools, where I can pull it off the wall, use it, put it right back. It's very efficient. So you can see this top tray has the actual paints, and then inside are areas of other storage for mixing mediums, brushes with a tilt-out tray so I can work out of it. I think if you're doing this kind of stuff, if you build one, you will be well pleased. So the secret to good painting is actually color theory. And don't run away if you're not an artist. This document is for the woodworker and furniture finisher. So by looking at the age of this paper, you know I've had this for quite a while. It lives in the painting box with the painting supplies because I refer to it every once in a while. Woodworkers, as well as artists, need to know how to mix paints. And in this document, it explains to you color terminology, how to mix colors, and everything that you need in order to get the color that you want. Additionally, I have a couple different color wheels that, as you turn the outside and you line it up, for instance, in this case, if you had yellow and you mixed a red with it, you get orange. And as you go further down, you can see it changes colors, and you can get what you want. I have another one here. This is newer. You can tell how old this one is. This is a newer one. So artistry is not one color. It's not like painting your house. There's values, there's shadows, there's all kinds of different things that play into it. So this may seem simple, but it's very important. This is our Eagle that we've been working on, and in the next video we're going to be painting it. I've blocked out the colors so we can proceed and start blending some things and get it where it's looking really nice. All right, so that's a little introduction into how I store my painting supplies and color theory, which is really important when you're doing this kind of work or mixing paints and dyes and stuff like that as a furniture builder. So hopefully you like this. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and we'll go on to painting the rest of the Eagle.